Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful snowflake roll cake. What's special about this cake is that it is decorated with the cake batter, so there's actually no frosting or anything that you need to do. All the designs are made within the cake, which I think is really cool. So let's get started. So first, to make the snowflake pattern, you want to beat some butter with an electric mixer until it's light and fluffy. Add some sugar and beat until combined. Then add some egg whites and vanilla extract and beat until combined, then add some flour on low speed. Place the batter into a piping bag fitted with a small round piping tin. Line a Swiss roll pan with some parchment paper and pipe snowflakes all over the paper. Transfer the pan to the freezer and freeze it for 30 minutes. Then, to make the blue cake batter, you want to beat 6 egg whites and salt with an electric mixer until soft peaks form. Add some sugar and beat until stiff, glossy peaks are formed. In a separate bowl, beat some egg yolks and some more sugar with an electric mixer until it's pale and doubled in volume. Gradually add some vanilla extract and some butter and mix until well combined. Add the flour to the batter in 2 additions, alternating with beaten egg whites. Dye the batter a pale blue color and gently fold everything together to combine. Pour the batter into the Swiss roll cake pan on top of the pattern and gently smooth the surface and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 13 to 15 minutes or until the edges are golden. Dust a large sheet of wax paper with some confectioner sugar, and as soon as the cake comes out of the oven, invert it onto the wax paper. Peel off the top layer of parchment paper and place another layer of wax paper on top, then flip it over again so that the pattern side is facing down. Remove the wax paper and starting at one long end, roll the cake up and wrap it in a kitchen towel and cool it completely. Then to make the filling, beat some whipping cream with an electric mixer until soft peaks form. And whipping cream whips best when it's cold, so make sure it's being chilled in the fridge. Add some confectioner sugar and some vanilla extract and beat until stiff peaks form. Gently unroll the cake and peel off the wax paper, and spread some filling onto the surface and roll the cake back up again. So you can also pop the whipped cream mixture in a piping bag if that's easier for you. And you can just pipe it inside. Then you want to wrap the cake back up in plastic wrap and pop it into the fridge for about 4 hours or overnight, and that's just going to have everything chill and set together very nicely. Then just slice off the ends to create a clean look and you are done! So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. If there are any patterned roll cakes that you'd like me to make, let me know in the comments down below. I can make a poutine one. That would be really, really cute. So yeah, let me know what you think. And now onto the giveaway, because every video this month has a giveaway at the end of it. Okay, so in this giveaway, you're going to win a Hello Kitty sweater. So if you guys have been watching me for a couple months, you saw that I did a Hello Kitty haul a couple months ago, and I saved some of the things from the haul to do in this giveaway. So this is one of the things. So this is it just says it's one size, but I think it's probably around a medium, small, medium kind of size, and it's gray, and it has a little Hello Kitty, I think it's intarsia, where the pattern is stitched into the sweater. And the bow is a reddish orange color. So cute, as well as, try not to get cake on the stuff because that would not be a nice present to get, is a Hello Kitty scarf. So this is, one side it's black, and the other side, if I can open it, is gray, and it has a Hello Kitty pattern on it. I think that this is so cute. So one of you guys will win one of these 2 things, as well as my cookbook, which is called Unicorn Food. It is filled with rainbow recipes, a Pink Money tote bag, and a box of 4 Pink Money truffles, because I also have a chocolate shop. Also, side note about the chocolate shop, I'm reformatting it. How many times have I reformatted it? This is the 3rd time, oh my god. But it's coming back on January 15th for Valentine's Day, so I'm so excited. But anyways, yeah, so if you would like a taste of the chocolates before they're available for sale, you can win a taste of it. So anyways, yes, to enter, you have to use the little, what emoji do we want to use? So with your entry for this giveaway, please use the emoji, the little snowflake emoji. I think that's really cute. And all the other details on how to enter and everything like that are in the description box down below, so definitely check it out. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for an all new video. Bye!